What up, space nerds? Thank you for joining me on a segment of BSS, ASS, BLEO, Bretts Space segment about sending spaceships beyond a low Earth orbit. No, but seriously, we will be talking about the advantages and disadvantages of sending manned spacecraft beyond the outer reaches of Earth's orbit. Also, my opinion. Like my opinion matters. Let's take a history lesson. On the day of July 16th, 1989, NASA sent man to the moon for the first time with major defects. Although there were many problems aboard the Saturn V, the next flight was the Apollo 13, which had many complications heading towards the moon. Yet provided information on how NASA itself could fix all the things that went wrong on future flights ahead. So the mission wasn't a total bust, or was it? NASA has had around 18 fatalities during spaceflight, and over half of them have been below Earth orbit. Okay, so Space Shuttle Columbia, otherwise known as STS-1, on the 1st of February 2003. It was sadly disintegrated during re-entry because debris took part of its heat shield off. On a more relatable level, it's like a knight in shining armor getting shot right in the knee with an arrow, and then shot in the same area again and again and again. Okay. So if you think the space station is expensive, just wait till we try building an empire on Mars, which is 1,000,000 times the distance between us and the ISS. Those are actually the numbers. The ISS is 249 miles away from the surface, and you guessed it, Mars is 249 million miles away from us as well. Anyways, the ISS has boosted NASA's campaign toward their overall mission of reaching Mars. Continuous studies take place aboard the ISS to test manned survival in space. Because if we can survive in space, we most certainly can survive on an Earth-like planet. The average cost just to launch a giant rocket into space is about $500 million nowadays. Back in 2010, the Space Shuttle program cost a total of $209 billion over the course of 135 launches. So you could assume that nowadays it's a little bit cheaper. Now, if NASA reaches Mars, plans are to research the solution to provide Earth with the materials it needs to withstand the massive population growth of the human race, which is supposed to reach, 11 billion people by the end of our century, because the ship can only hold so many passengers. No one really knows what the true benefits of Mars are, except to take on the blowback of a serious and future populated Earth. Also, it's just space. Who doesn't want to go exploring the deep sea of dark matter and black holes, supernovas, and radiation, dust storms, and meteor showers?
Hell nah, man.
Don't worry about it. Hopefully we will have the technology to build shields for that. Thank you for watching. I am not John Green. Okay.